Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today, the Shopify store we are discussing is Airman. Airman is a Shopify store that just provides you the audio. They are an audio company that has been developing tube amplifiers for more than a decade. They are just pioneer and they are just perfect in tube amplifiers for more than a decade and working on a perfect neutral, natural, and clean sound that is packaged in a beautiful and quality design. They wanted to turn their experience and love for sound into something that will be available to a larger number of people. And Airman was born. They realized a long time ago that it's not all about merriment and result from papers, so they don't even compete with others because perfect sound has no competition. It's a personal experience of something pure that the performing performers bring us. Our motto is sound above all. The world of mobile audio is changing by the day, with headphone jacks having all but vanished from smartphones and device manufacturers, choosing to prioritize wireless streaming rather than the quality of your listening experience. Bluetooth earphones offer us an ease of experience in our day-to-day listening. But what about those of us who still prefer to embrace quality over convenience with our audio? How is one to enjoy a high-end cable earphone or headphone when the phone containing our music does not even possess the means with which to connect our cable device? With many years of experience in the development of award-winning state-of-the-art sound amplification and processing equipment for home and desktop sound, they knew that the market needed something new, innovative, and outstanding for those of them who prefer to listen their music while on the go, on a quest to deliver highest quality audio experience while granting you freedom to enjoy your music without limitation. Understanding that production quality and after-sale product support are of the utmost importance to their customers, they have made their home in the United States for ease of consumer communication and manufacture of all of our them products in Europe to ensure the highest standards in manufacturing processes. Go ahead and celebrate all your files. This one is for you. For more information, kindly share our video. See you in the next video.